Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly tone down liquid glass transparency on your iPhone in iOS 27 or later. The redesigned liquid glass interface in iOS 27 gives your iPhone a pretty sleek, modern look with translucent menus, navigation bars, widgets, and system elements that blend beautifully with your wallpaper and apps. While many users appreciate this eye-catching visual effect, others may find the increased transparency distracting, especially when reading text or navigating the interface. Fortunately, Apple lets you reduce the transparency of these elements to enhance readability and make the interface easier on the eyes. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and select the Appearance option. Then you have to tap liquid glass. And finally, you can drag the slider left for a clearer, more transparent effect, or right to add tint and opacity. And that's all there is to it. It's worth pointing out that the midpoint on the slider is Apple's default. The UI preview redraws in real time as you drag it, so you can watch it instead of having to back out of settings to check. Note that the setting applies across the system and affects everything from Control Center and home screen folders to app overlays and lock screen notifications. It's also important to point out that if the tint doesn't appear, immediately try restarting your iPhone or checking that the reduced transparency accessibility setting is enabled correctly. You can also explore other display accessibility options such as increased contrast or reduced motion to further customize the look and feel of iOS according to your preferences. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily tone down liquid glass transparency on your iPhone running iOS 27 or later. Now that you've unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.